happy, of course, to stop the loss in Premier League and to win this game. I think it was a game between two teams in difficulties, and it was important to play this game with good confidence, good calm, good spirit, and good play. It was a fantastic, I think, first half with beautiful goals and a good management in the second half. We can finish off the game before, but it was important to have a lot of opportunities to score, to stay with a clean sheet, and to take the good confidence and to prepare the next game, important next game.